64% of U.S. consumers live paycheck to paycheck. Over 60 million U.S. adults lack access to traditional credit. Only 44% of U.S. adults have savings to cover a $1,000 unexpected expense. Millions of Americans are experiencing tough economic times right now. You have record inflation and even more recently, massive layoffs in the tech sector. You got brand name companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon even laying off tens of thousands of employees in one of the highest layoffs in tech history. Now, during these uncertain economic times, it's more important than ever to have access to financial resources. That's why on this channel, we're always giving you information on different credit cards, lines of credit, loans, just so that you have these financial resources in your back pocket in case of an economic downturn. Consumers need access to credit. 54% of consumers experience financial emergencies a few times per year. So who is locked out from traditional credit? 72% have been denied a line of credit or bank product. Over 51% have been denied a personal loan in the past year. Now, there's different opinions on credit debt. Some people think that you shouldn't take out loans, lines of credit, and you should never go into debt under any circumstances. So I think it's perfectly okay to utilize credit cards, loans, lines of credit to bridge the gap between, let's say, paychecks, or, maybe you're going through some rough economic patch and you just need a little bit of financial resources to get you over the hump. That's why in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a financial resource where you can get up to $4,000 loan, even if you have bad credit. And one of the best things is that there's no hard inquiry on your personal credit report. Introducing OppLoans by Opportunity Finance. Online loans for life's unexpected expenses. Everyday consumers have access to financial support from OppLoans when they need it most. They offer small dollar online loans that are repaid in affordable installments. Establish credit history through repayments. That's why they report loan repayments to all three major credit bureaus. Now, it's very easy to apply for a loan with a simplified application process from start to finish. They have same-day funding available, loans that fit your financial needs, so a minimum of $500 up to $4,000, and there's no hidden fees. Applying does not affect your FICO credit score. So they offer bad credit loans. OppFi offers bad credit loans. So they believe you're more than just a credit score and a better financial future is within your reach. So they have a personal loan that can help you. So you're going to select this drop-down menu and select the state where you're located, and then you can apply online. Now, what is a bad credit loan? So your credit worthiness is more than just a number, but not all lenders see it that way. Some lenders look beyond a bad credit score to analyze your overall credit worthiness when it comes to a personal loan. Now, what is bad credit? So bad credit is when your credit score is too low to qualify for a standard loan. A bad credit score is typically considered a FICO score under a 670. Now, and again, how much money can you qualify for depending on your state? You can qualify for a bad credit loan between $500 and $4,000. Your loan amount will be determined by several factors, including your state of residence, income, ability to repay, and credit worthiness. Now, OppLoans does not offer a no credit check loan, so they do offer a loan where it's only a soft credit check, so applying won't negatively impact your credit score. So there is a credit check, it's just a soft inquiry. Now, an important fact, will OppLoans check my credit when I apply for an online loan? At OppLoans, they understand that your financial story is more than just your FICO score. When applying with OppLoans, we don't perform a hard credit inquiry on your credit report. Instead, OppLoans uses credit report information provided by Clarity Services and Experian, which does not impact your credit score or appear on your credit report. Now, what does OppLoans consider when looking at my credit? So they're going to be looking at your employment status, income details, bank account, and financial history. How do loans through OppLoans work? So you're going to apply online. So fill out an application. Step 2, verify income. So securely connect your bank account, review your agreement. So once you accept the repayment terms for your potential loan, you're going to submit, and then the online process is very fast. If you're approved, you may receive money in your account as soon as the same business day. So just to recap, OppLoans offers personal installment loans from a minimum of $500 all the way up to $4,000. So this is primarily small dollar amount loans. So if you're looking for a huge credit line, this is not going to be the place. They're really geared towards individuals who might have credit issues or credit challenge. Now, even though there's no hard credit check, there will be a soft inquiry, but it's not with the major credit reporting agencies. It's actually with Clarity Services, which some of you might be be familiar with, it's a subsidiary of Experian. So it's not actually going to show up on your credit report. You're not going to see a hard inquiry or soft inquiry because they're not going through the major agencies, Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax. It's going to be through Clarity Services. Now, one important aspect that you want to keep in mind, so because they're not looking at your FICO scores, they're looking at some of the alternative reporting agencies, Clarity Services, and they're also going to be doing income verification. Now, if some of you have been watching some of the videos lately, we've been stressing the importance of income verification. Now, if you don't have pay stubs or if you don't have any sort of direct deposit where you could substantiate your income, what you can do if you have a business entity, you can get set up with a payroll provider. I've dropped a link in the description for ADP. Now, with ADP, which is the largest payroll company in the United States, you could literally create your own pay stubs, decide how much you want to get paid, and they will literally run payroll and you'll have pay stubs and you'll also have direct deposits. So it'll show that transaction hitting your personal bank account. So when you do apply for some of these loans that require income verification, you'll have all of the data points, all of the POI, proof of income, to substantiate your loan application. So if anyone is interested in that, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. And again, if anyone is interested in applying for OppLoans, I've also dropped a link in the description of the video. As a reminder, this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. Until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.